we were about 54 degrees this morning, as you saw from that video. Cold front blew in, and it's quite chilly now. It's about 44 degrees with a very strong north wind. Winter has taken its toll. Let me show you. So this is one of my raised beds. The broccoli had to come up. It got bitter frost killing, bitter freeze killing. So we're getting this ready for our spring planting. Let me go up front. So this raised bed got hit too. We have some kale, but I'm not sure it's going to make it, guys. We're going to have some below freezing temps pretty much of the week. And here is the spinach. Some of it is still okay, but yeah, I think I'm probably going to lose that this week. This will come up and we'll get ready for our spring planting. So here's the small high tunnel, guys, and boy, we had to go ahead and pull up those tomato vines. I think I showed you last week that they got hit with the freeze. You can see over there that the big ones came down. We do still have some broccoli, but look, rodent damage and freeze damage has gone rampant in this high tunnel. So much of this needs to come up, with the exception of the cabbage and maybe a couple of broccolis. And we have some onions that are still going pretty strong in here. So we have been fighting the rodents. You can see the traps. It's not a pretty sight. It's pretty disheartening. But you can see, guys, they are just munching to town. So a lot of my broccoli is starting to go ahead and bolt out, and I'm going to go ahead and let it bolt and get the seeds. This is that Arroyo Campolo. It got hit, guys. We have some spinach here that I think is going to be okay. My calendula, surprisingly, is doing just fine, and I've got some rosemary, still got some sage, some fennel, lavender. There's certain things in my Tower of Power that are doing okay, but we did get some more seeds, and we're getting ready to replant this in the spring with our herbs. So it's just been a freeze fest and a rodent fest in here. This is a big fail on our part, but luckily spring is right around the corner and we will be out here replanting. So lots of cleanup has to go on in here to get ready for our spring planting. We have already started our tomato seeds. We have started some pepper seeds, and we will be starting more this week. But I wanted to give you guys a brief update and show you the battles, and the battles are strong and the battles are coming on. But we'll get through this. We'll get some more things planted, and it won't be long before March is here, and this will be lush and green again. So we are very glad that we got the tomatoes that we did. We grew them 4 seasons for 12 months, guys. We got quite a bit of tomatoes. I still have some in there, and all those green ones I picked last week are starting to ripen up, and so I'm happy about that. We have quite a few tomatoes in there, but I wanted to give you guys an update and show you that sometimes things don't look so pretty in a garden, especially during the winter time and when you're battling rodents like we have all year. We did get some new traps. We caught quite a few last night, and we are fixing to get down and dirty on our spring planting. Get ready, it's all coming. Thank you for watching. Take care, God bless. We'll be in touch.